breakfast has been served. And now...
Mommy.
Yes, Mama. Yeah, we did have food. We had our little avocado toast with egg.
And Mommy, we had egg.
We did have egg, and it was delicious, right? We are now on our way to Aldi's first because they have some towels that I saw for the summer, and it's just for at home. They're beach towels, but they have like little sharks and they have like little hoodies. I don't know, they were really cute. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go to Costco. Today is just basically a day of getting errands done. We gotta go all over the place. So we're going to run those errands really quickly and kind of go from there. All right, we made it back from Aldi's, and they did not have the towels, but they did have these. These are amazing. They were super cheap, $8.99. I have 3 from like last year, like even 2 years ago, and we used them recently at the beach, and they're kind of getting small on some of my kids. So I upgraded and got them bigger sizes. We got size small, medium, and then an extra small, just because I want them to kind of fit for 2 more summers. We have a lot of swimming to do this month. They're doing swim class, and we also are going to Canary Islands, aka Spain. So I might take those with me. We'll see how luggage goes. But then I also got this hat for myself. I thought it was so cute for the beach. Even for like my runs, you guys, I have to like do a better job of really shielding my face. And this, I feel, does a pretty good job. You know, I kind of go to run at like 7 o'clock in the morning, so the sun isn't all the way out, but I think this will do a pretty good job. And it looks cute. But now we're off to Costco. We have made it back home, you guys, and let me show you a quick little haul. I did get a lot of clothes because we are going away for the summer, and my son needed a good amount of clothes. A lot of his clothes are run down or too small, so I did get some stuff for him. But I want to show you kind of some of the food things that we got because we needed it. So we got a couple things here. We got some chips. These are really good if you are on a diet. We also got these yogurts. These are great for the kids. We got pirate booties. We ran out. We have this yogurt. This one has probiotic. I try to give my kids 1 a day just because it's good for them to have probiotics. So I do that. And then we have over here some ground turkey. I got organic chicken tenderloins, and then a whole bunch of steak. Now this steak I like to prepare and slice up, so we're gonna do that. And then I already put some stuff away. We also got the Boom Chicka Pop popcorn. The kids love that. And I also got frozen chicken nuggets as well as chicken tenders, the Purdue kind. They're in here, so let me put this all away and I can show you guys. All right, so I got these. These are the Purdue kind. They're pretty good. My kids like these. And then I like these. These are gluten-free and they taste so good. It's a good source of protein. And these are like my 911 chickens. When I don't feel like cooking something extravagant, I usually pop these in the oven and they're really good. And usually I just pop these in to freeze and I cook them frozen to finish. If I want to do like meatballs or whatnot, chicken nuggets with the chicken, that's when I pop it out the day before and I put it in the fridge and then it thaws out the next day. But usually this is kind of where it lives. Oh, I also got lots of more blueberries. We go through a lot of blueberries here with our smoothies as well as pancakes. All right, you guys, it is time to start making dinner because we actually have swim class today and we have an instructor coming to my father and mother-in-law's house. So I gotta pick up the kids a little bit early, drive to their place, and all 3 kiddos are going to get a swim lesson because summer's coming and we need to kind of get that going. 2 out of the 3 don't know how to swim, and then my oldest completely forgot how to swim. I mean, his confidence isn't as high. He knows, but I feel like if he panics, he'll forget. So we're gonna use the crock pots. This is my crock pot. But it's really simple. I'm just going to add some chicken breast. This is frozen. As you guys know, with my cookware, I can do frozen to finish. No problem. I'm gonna put 2 pieces of chicken breast in there. I also have a little bit of steak left over. This is gonna be like fajitas, you guys. So I'm just gonna throw it in here. And then we're going to add some garlic salt because my kids only like garlic salt. Anytime I try to like add the other badilla seasoning, they just reject it. I don't know why, they just don't like it. So garlic salt is going to be my seasoning with a little bit of paprika to give it some color. And because I don't have time to chop up stuff, this pepper and onion blend saves me so much time when I'm in a rush. So I'm going to just add a tiny bit, not a whole bunch. I don't need like a ton. There we go, that's good. And season with paprika and pepper. And we are good to go. I need to wake up the little one. She's in nap time. Change her into a bathing suit, and we're gonna go do some swim lessons. Chicken and beef. Look at that. Perfect for fajitas. Why, hello everyone. Today is a new day.
Mommy, we have eggs.
Yeah, and we had some lunch. We had a Cobb salad. It had an egg.
We have chicken.
And we had chicken on our Cobb salad. And now I am on my way to do a little bit of shopping. We'll see. Because honestly, every time you need to buy something, you can never find anything. And when you don't need to buy anything, you find everything, you know? So the goal is to go to the mall, which, hello, haven't been to a mall in a long time. But the goal is to go and see if I can find some clothes for Europe. I have no clothes. Like, I feel like I always wear the same things over and over again. And I also wear a lot of like Disney t-shirts. So, yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, so funny. As you guys heard, my daughter was saying, "Mommy, mommy, mommy," and it was because my husband was right next to us. He's going to the dentist today to get a root canal. That stinks. But anyways, the goal is to find some shirts. I feel like I need shirts, and I just need to like revamp my wardrobe, you know? I wear the same things over and over again. I don't tend to shop for myself at all. Everything goes towards my kids. So that is why today we're gonna try to focus on myself. I also wanna go to the Crocs store to see if they have some sandals. I need some sandals because I lost some of my sandals like a year ago that are slipper Crocs. Have you ever had sandal slipper Crocs? They're amazing. They like grip to the floor really well. They're not slippery. They're comfortable. So I need to replace those. And yeah, that's basically everything we're on our way to do. We did not find anything, as always. I went to JCPenney, American Eagle, and I also went to this store that is basically local vendors. That's where you see all these beautiful dresses that you probably just saw. Their dresses are beautiful, but I just don't know if I would use them in Canary Islands. Yeah, Mama. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 5:35 in the morning, as you guys can see. We are on our way to Pilates, and then we are going to do a run because I started running again, which is so exciting, you guys. It's been a hot minute since I've been running, and it's been going okay. So, yeah, let's start the day. We made it, you guys. That was a good one, but I feel like I still have some energy to go run. So we're gonna go do that. I do have my smoothie. Every time I finish here, I drink my protein shake. It has almond milk, protein, and one little scoop of creatine. So it's really nice having this little Ninja portable blender, because I don't have to shake it. Taken a shower, gotten ready. The kids are officially in school. I've been doing a little bit of computer work. You know, didn't film it because it's pretty boring and basic. But now I am going to make lunch, and I'm craving a little bit of rice and chicken today. You know, I want some comfort food with a side avocado salad, because my avocados, they're very ripe and they need to be used ASAP. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Old days, I used to think on the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much. Until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide, someplace where we can hide our Forget the world outside, just for a while. Some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I. Always, I'll wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over?
You have to catch up.
Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space.
Wow, you guys. So I picked up this book at the library, and it's a romance, but there's some really heavy topics in here, and it made me emotional because it touches on death and like regrets and things like that, and it's so sad. It's supposed to be a romance book, but here I am getting teary-eyed about a book. We just finished eating and I figured I'd read a little bit, and yeah, it's really sad. I like multitask. I listen and cook, clean, and this chapter just really got me. I had to like stop and take a moment and take it in and just tell you guys, this book, y'all, I like it. It's good. Time is done. It is about to be 9 o'clock, 8:54. I gotta go to bed in the next 30 minutes because tomorrow I have a 6 a.m. Pilates class. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a great day. The girls got to do their dress rehearsal. They look great. They're ready. They were so cute. It's adorable. But yeah, this basically concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these random bits and bobs. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.